say it was incredible. It was super insightful, a bit challenging, of course, and it gave a lot of opportunity to start working in the group, working on the presentation. But it was fun, insightful, and at the same time, it's a great inspirational start for sure.
Well, I was very excited to join the first workshop. I selected this MBA because I was looking for a special experience, mixed between academic and practical. And the content that was provided earlier about the course was very rich. And I can say that based on yesterday, the program definitely meets the expectation.
The workshop is where your new journey begins. You will interact with your cohort. You will build stronger networks. You will acquire and gain knowledge from your professors. It is the right opportunity that provides you insight into the MBA program, what to look out for, what to expect, and how to go about it, while of course having the support team guide you and assist you every step of your journey.
We thought of things that we never thought about before. And I guess that's the whole point of this MBA program, where it's equipping us to be prepared leaders. So had we not really gone into this subject, we wouldn't have learned so many different topics we're thinking about now, listening to others as well. ESG changes, someone else talked about bank regulations. So I think learning these type of things is really getting us thinking. And whilst it's challenging, it's also really rewarding. So I think that's its own self-motivation.
I heard from one of the alumni by a common friend about the university that it's really very strong in networking and the level of education that's being given to students and how the students are really succeeding after getting their MBA certificate. So it caught my attention. Then by coincidence, I heard about a forum for a master's in MBA happening in Muscat, Oman. So I was very interested to attend, and there is where I met you and I met many of the staff, and I got to know really more about the University of Manchester. And for my enrollment stage, my supervisor was doing great in helping me to be in time in really getting all my documents done and everything regarding the MBA preparation course was very informative to get really ready to start our MBA smoothly.
Really enjoyed today. It was great to sit down and go through the presentations that everyone spent lots of hard work on over the past few nights and late nights and long days. And it was just fascinating to hear different points of view from different industries, because obviously everyone here comes from a different background, and you spend your day sort of isolated in your own little world. And then to hear the points of view from people in comms and healthcare and everything just opens your mind up to lots of new ideas. Yeah, that's what I've found really good about today.
It has been amazing, really. The network is nice, everyone is nice here. We had so much fun and a lot of new information. So I really just had fun here.
It was a new experience, actually. It was scary at the beginning, but with the ice-breaking activities and so, everything really went down. With the groups and getting together, working together, the picture became more and more clear.
I would rate it 5 stars.
Exciting.
Day one was fantastic, coming in from the induction straight into the workshop, and you have these topics that you want to go through, of course with a little bit of anxiety when the assessment and the presentation needs to start. Overall it was great, getting to know your peers even deeper, getting to know who your tutor is, and luckily we had a great tutor who really engaged us and made us feel like this is a fantastic place to be, and you really get the feel of the Manchester, the original thinking applied in here, because you really have to be so engaged